Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the structure of cell. The cell, do you know which is the smallest unit of a living organism? Yeah, a cell is the smallest unit in a living organism. Some cells only live 3 to 5 days while others live throughout a person's life. Types of cells: Eukaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells are found in bacteria, amoeba, etc. While eukaryotic cells are found in animals, plants, humans, etc. Eukaryotic cells only contain genetic materials. However, eukaryotic cell contains organelles and cell membrane. Not matters what the type of cell it is, but three organelles are common in eukaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, both of them have cell membrane, cryptoplasm, and nucleus. This is the structure of an eukaryotic cell. In this video, we are going to talk about the structure of eukaryotic cell. So first come molecules, then rhizomes, then mitochondria, then endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, plasma membrane also known as cell membrane, Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, cryptoplasm, nucleus, and centrioles. So this is a complete cell, and this is the real cell, how it's look. It contains different organelles. In Latin, organelle means a small room that has different organs. A cell has all the parts very important and play a unique role. So by one, we are going to get the brief knowledge of each part. So first we start with nucleus. Nucleus is a double membrane bounded organelle that acts as a central storage area for DNA. DNA shown inside the nucleus has been tightly walled up around the proteins to condense its overall size. Then comes nucleus. Nucleus is a part of the nucleus that makes the parts needed to build a rhizome, or we can say nucleus is a dense bundle of RNA and DNA within the nucleus that is responsible for building various proteins and RNA. Components of rhizomes: the assembled rhizomes move out of nucleus to cryptoplasm or to rough endoplasmic reticulum. So once rhizomes have been made, they move in cryptoplasm or rough endoplasmic reticulum. So, rough cell membrane has inside a jelly-like substance which is known as cryptoplasm. In that, rhizomes and all other organelles float. So, cell membrane is also known as cell plasma membrane, which helps the cell to be protected from the other environment. In simpler words, we can say that cell membrane separates the inside organs of the cell from its environment. So going to the endoplasmic reticulum has two main parts, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no rhizome stuck on it, while rough endoplasmic reticulum has rhizomes stuck on it. For example, you can see here, it is containing small rhizomes, that black spots are rhizomes. So this is an rough endoplasmic reticulum, while this one is not containing any rhizome. Thus, it's a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So, we can conclude that Endoplasmic reticulum is a large membranous organelle that serves as a variety of functions. Most importantly, it is a site for rhizomes. Rhizomes are the small structures on the surface. Again, come back to bind and translate RNA into proteins and aids in transport of those proteins on to final processing and distribution. Means the rhizomes that are stuck will be transported, or proteins that are being made by the rhizomes or nucleus are transported through it. Then comes our peroxisome. Peroxisomes are small structures surrounded by a membrane. They contain many different types of enzymes used by the cell to produce energy. So, this part or organelle of the cell have almost different enzymes. Do you know there are up to 50 different enzymes that are involved in the breaking down of harmful chemicals in the cell? And also, peroxisome work with mitochondria to produce energy. These peroxisomes are also available in plant cells. Plant cells also have these organelles that help them to germinate a new seed. Then comes our lysome. Lysomes are specialized membrane-bound organelles containing enzymes that can break down all four types of macromolecules such as proteins, nucleic acid, carbohydrates and lipids. Means, in simpler words, we can say that lysomes act as a digestive system inside a cell. They help break down old or unneeded parts of cell and the substances that have been brought into the cell from outside. So they contain also enzymes that break down the cellular debris into very tiny particles and that are digested. Then comes our mitochondria, is known as the powerhouse of the cell and produces energy to fuel the cell activities. Do you know, guys? Mitochondria is a double membrane bounded organelle, and mitochondria releases the energy in form of ATP molecules, which is the major energy source of cellular functions. And the cell that requires more energy have more mitochondrias. So next comes centriole. Centrioles are protein structure found only in animal cells. They help form spindle fibers which guide chromosome movement during mitosis and meiosis. Means centrioles are only found in animal cells and they help chromosomes moving during cell division. Means they play important role in cell division. Then comes our Golgi body. Golgi body, also known as Golgi apparatus, aids in modification, packaging and distribution of protein that are made by cell. So here we have discussed all the parts of a cell. Thus, we can conclude that eukaryotic cells, cells that have organelles enclosed inside them, are eukaryotic cells. All cells have cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Both plants and animal cells have mitochondria. If you like this video, then do not forget to click on like button, and if you found this video very interesting, then subscribe to our channel.